Hey, so we're in there recording, and we heard the cats going like batshit crazy out here. I come in here to look. There's Jim, the terrorist, and I'm looking back here and I see that little thing back there. I'm like, what the fuck? I didn't know he had a little bird statue, and I look and it's a fucking live bird in the house.
I'll get it.
Hold on, I'm gonna see if I can fucking get the thing. I've got to get Jim out of here too.
Alright, just give me a second.
Let the exterminator through.
I'll get the bird.
I'll get Jim.
Okay, here, I'll get out of the way here.
I'll
Just a second.
get Jim out of there and I'll get the bird out of there.
Oh, God.
That
Jim?
chair ain't stable.
Come here.
Oh, Jesus.
You crazy piece.
Okay, you got the terrorist.
Oh.
Harry! You dick!
You
Get the fuck down, cat.
Okay.
Come here, little guy.
No wonder they were going back.
Yeah.
Do.
Come here.
I'm gonna bite you.
I'll get over by the door.
Come here.
Get
Come here, little guy.
Harry! Be nice to birds.
Here, give me the cats.
Harry, come on. Oh, he's out and about. To the door. Oh, God.
Oh, God. Get the cat.
Come here. I got the cat.
We got lots of cats in there.
Okay. Okay, get him outside. Get him outside. Get him outside. Oh, God. Wait a second. Hold on. Wait a second. I gotta check something. I wonder if he maybe came in through back here. Since we have this fucking 2-inch gap above the door.
Yep, that's probably how he got in.
As soon as the bird started freaking the fuck out over there, Harry's like, no, get me the fuck down. He clawed my arm. There's a fucking bird in the house. What? Oh my God. What is it, Jim? You want a bird dinner?
You wanted that bird booty.
You wanted that bird. Oh my God.
Wanted that bird!
Frank, I'm surprised that Satan didn't get it.
Booty. You wanted that booty.
It's the fact that a fucking bird came in the house. That's a story to tell.
But you can tell your parents when they get home.
Yeah. Jesus Christ.
Just going up on your block there.
Yeah.